How to sign up GCash account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can sign up for the GCash account. GCash is one of the most popular mobile wallets in the Philippines and is super easy to set up. Whether you want to pay bills, send money, or shop online, GCash has got you covered, so let's just get started. Alright, so first thing first, you'll need to have your phone ready. If you don't have the GCash app, you can just go ahead and download it either from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now that the app is installed, open up the GCash app on your phone and then you will be seeing the login page. Next, you just need to enter your phone number. This will be the number linked to your GCash account, so make sure it is active and so that you can receive SMS. Now you can go ahead and check for your messages for the OTP and enter it in the app, and you will be asked to create a 4-digit PIN. This is for your account security, so make sure it's something that you will remember but also hard for others to guess. And that is it. Now it's time to enter your personal details, and then after that is done, you will be logged into the GCash. And then you may be prompted to activate other features like mobile number verification or link your bank account for more functionality. But for now, you can just start using the app, and there you have it. It is very simple and just takes a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have got any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I will be more than happy to help.